Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to design in Canva step by step. Whether you're creating a YouTube thumbnail, presentation, social media post, logo, flyer, or any other graphic, Canva makes the design process simple and beginner-friendly. Let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, click the Create a Design button. Here you'll find many design types, or you can search for one like YouTube thumbnail, presentation, Instagram post, or choose a custom size. Next, select a design type to open the editor. You can start with a blank canvas, or choose one of Canva's ready-made templates. Templates are a great option because they already have professional layouts that you can customize. Now it's time to edit your design. On the left side, click Text to add headings, subheadings, or body text. Type your own content, then use the toolbar at the top to change the font style, font size, color, spacing, and alignment. To make your design more attractive, open the Elements section. Here you can add icons, shapes, illustrations, stickers, lines, and other graphics. Simply drag and drop them onto your canvas and resize or reposition them as needed. If you want to use your own images, click Uploads and upload photos from your computer. You can also browse Canva's built-in image library from the Photos section and add any image to your project. Next, customize the background by selecting the page and choosing a new color or adding a background image. Arrange all the elements until you're happy with the final design. When everything looks perfect, click the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select your preferred file format, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, and click Download to save your finished design. And that's it. You've successfully designed a project in Canva. With these basic tools, you can create professional quality designs for school, work, business, or social media in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.